In this video, I'm using a kit from Simply Gilded in my weekly passion planner. This kit has a matching washi tape, and I also pulled a couple from my stash that match pretty well. So let's dive right in. Hello, and welcome or welcome back. My name is Tammy, and today we're using this kit from Simply Gilded with a whales theme because February 16th is World Whale Day, and I thought this is perfect for my planner. So I already pre-printed the February that I covered up the pre-printed February, and I'm showing you some of the deco. I am going to go ahead and cover up my daily headers and also place down some washi tape. I'll be right back. I'll speed through this with some music for you. Okay, now that is all done, and that's kind of like the bones of my setup. I like to get down all that washi tape first because then I can put my stickers on wherever. You'll find that I put some stickers on top of washi tape. I am using the washi tape to cover up the hourly timelines. I'm not currently using this planner as an hourly. I use this for my memory keeper basically, but I also put some future things in here. I'm basically turning this into a lined vertical planner, which I love. I do so much love the colors of this kit, the pink and the blue. They just look so good together. This is a color combination that I really do enjoy. So I'm looking forward to the way this spread turns out. Also, this is like my first Simply Gilded kit. I don't typically purchase kits like this, but I was definitely inspired back, I think in December or maybe November. It was like before the holidays, I know that, and was perusing the website and saw this. It was on sale. I think it was a clearance thing, and I do think they still have it if you're interested. It's definitely a unique theme, not one I would have thought of myself, and I'm all for that. I have enough stickers here for this spread, but also have leftovers. So I'm loving that, and I can use this in another notebook or journal or wherever. So that's so cool, and I love that. I'm going to start decorating down here in this big empty spot. It is called the Space of Infinite Possibility in the Passion Planner. I use this spot here to write down miscellaneous things. For example, a recipe that I might find watching YouTube, or if I have different notes that I want to remember, I'll use this section here. But I do like to decorate this spot. It's perfect for deco. So I'm going to go ahead and put some of these stickers right here. If you are a newbie decorative planner, then I highly recommend that you look into Passion Planner because I do think that this is one of the easiest planners to decorate. It's so simple to just put down some washi tape and some stickers. I think some of the other layouts that they have out there in other brands are a little trickier. So if you're new and you're looking for something rather easy, I think that this is a really good one to pick. Side note, this video is not sponsored at all. I'm not an affiliate or anything. I'm just somebody who picked up a passion planner and started decorating and found that I really do enjoy it. This is going to look so good when it's done. And then I'm really looking forward to seeing how it looks after the pen. Let me know in the comments, do you like to see spreads that are after the pen? I'm curious. I know in today's video I'm not going to be writing any plans down because I am setting this up actually in January. When I set these spreads up so far in advance, I don't always know all of my plans. So that's why this is going to probably be more of just a decorate with me versus a plan with me. On top of that, I do use these pretty much every day. I write down a little bit of how my day is going or what my kids are doing or just memories I want to keep, basically. So I'm going to start placing some whales down and make it look like they're swimming through the days of the week. After I place down some of the deco, I am going to pull out one of my Happy Planner colorful boxes sticker book so that I have a place to put down different things. Lately, I've been writing down the weather in those boxes, but that's subject to change, I guess. So this is a good time for me to ask, how are you doing? How are things going in your world? I know we're getting close to spring, and I don't know about you, but I am very excited because it is my favorite season of all. I love spring. I love the warmer days and the flowers. It's just my favorite. I don't even care if it's raining, especially after some of the frozen, icy days we've had through January, and we're not yet in February as I'm doing this video, but I'm ready for spring. How about you? I like going for walks outside, and in this winter weather that we've had, I can't do that. I would do it if it was just me, but I have young children and I'm not going to subject them to some of these bitter cold temperatures. Okay, this spread is really coming together very nicely, but I still have more stickers that I would like to use and some more space on here. So let's see. How about using some more of these boxes? I do end up using some more on the bottom space there as well. But I'm going to leave the left side where the lines are empty for the most part because then I'll have plenty of spots to write. This planner is awesome for that. I think there's a lot of space to write. I've heard some people say there's not enough space to write. You could also do a tip in if needed, but I have not found that I need that in this particular planner. This is a large size. I know with Passion Planner they come in 3 sizes. They have, I think, something close to like an A5, um, a medium planner, which probably is like a classic happy planner, I'm guessing. But this is close to like a letter size or like an 8 by 11, I think. Something like that. I like the size of this planner. They have free printables of their layout on the Passion Planner website if it's something that you want to play with and see if it's something that you would actually like to use. And this is where I'm going to go back to that space of infinite possibility. I'm trying to put this whale tail in there somewhere, and it just feels like it's just too much up there. But it's such a pretty sticker that I want to include it. So I actually like putting my stickers kind of wonky on the page like that. It's like perfectly imperfect, if you will. So I go ahead and layer a few down here as well. And there is still space around those for writing. I actually might use some of these leftover stickers in my A6 Stology. I think they would look really good in that particular planner. Now I am placing down some of the smaller deco just to use some here on the page. They kind of tie it together really nicely, and I think this looks really good when it's all said and done. I do end up putting some box stickers down there as well. I really like how everything matches so well. Now, if you're still watching this video, thank you so much. I do appreciate your support. Thank you for being here with me. Could you please put in the comments section a whale emoji to let me know that you've watched this far? I would love it. You would totally make my day. All right, now I've got my Happy Planner box sticker book, and I still have plenty of blue, pink, and purple boxes to use here. They match perfectly. It's like they were made for this spread, so I'm going to go ahead and put some of these down on different days, as well as that big spot down below. That will give me just a spot to write some more things down. I like to write the weather in these boxes, but sometimes I will write plans or appointments. It just depends on my mood and what's going on that day. This spread came together so beautifully, and I love how the whales give it such a peaceful, serene feel. It's a great reminder to slow down and appreciate the beauty of nature, just like these gentle giants of the ocean. I've had so much fun working on this, and my hope is that it inspires you in your own journaling and planning. Whether you're celebrating World Whale Day or just looking for a creative theme, this was such a fun way to bring a little bit of the ocean into my planner. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future journaling and planning videos. I am trying to challenge myself to think outside the box of what I would normally choose for a theme and choose some themes that would be a little bit different in my planner. And I would say for sure that whales is definitely something I would never have considered before, but I love the way this has turned out. I'm going to really enjoy filling this out and flipping back to see it later on in the future. You can find different theme ideas if you look up different national holidays or world days, whatever. There's some really crazy ones and some silly ones out there, but it might inspire you with your own creative spread. So I highly recommend just Google national holidays and let me know in the comments what theme are you going for this week. I would love to see what you're doing. Let's share some ideas and continue the conversation in the comments section. Okay, now I told you before, I'm going to go ahead and put down some boxes right here at the bottom. I am not sure what I will fill these in with yet, but I am sure I'll find something to put there. I just thought having the boxes here kind of pull it all together a little bit more. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me while I decorate my week of February 16th in my passion planner. I love hanging out with you in these videos, and I love the support that I get from viewers like you. If you're looking for ways to decorate your lined vertical planner, or perhaps you have a weekly passion planner, I do have a playlist and I will go ahead and link that. And that wraps up this spread for World Whale Day. I had so much fun putting this together. I just love how these stickers really bring the theme to life. I love the pinks and the blues in this spread. I think that is an amazing color combination. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me. I really appreciate your support so much. I hope to see you in the next one. Until then, happy planning and journaling, my friends.